This time we will discuss how to organize water delivery system on board or in recreational vehicle, because water and electricity are main aspects of good rest. Easiest and cheapest variant is to install small pump which will deliver water from water tank to the kitchen sink or wash hand stand, but it is maximum of such small rotary type pump. There is special freshwater pump to provide decent living conditions close to home conditions which can build necessary pressure and keep it in the system. Let's check several models by the example of SHURFLO pumps from manufacturer under name Pentair. Range is wide, but main differences are pumping capacity and pressure. These parameters are important when you choose pump. Series Aqua King and Aqua King 2 are the most popular models and the best choice for owners of not so big yachts and recreational vehicles. Usually electric motors on different models are the same, that is why pump characteristics depends on diaphragm and configuration of discharge chamber. Every pump is equipped with connecting fittings. Usually it is herringbone type fitting for hose of 0.5 inch. Let's take screwdriver and check pump interior arrangement. This pump is automatic and it will switch off automatically when pressure reaches fixed index. It is because of electromechanical valve. Base is electric motor which rotates eccentric. Vibrational motions are forwarded to pump diaphragms which pump water over thanks to special form. There are 3 operating diaphragms in this pump. Intake valves are visible from outside of the pump and 3 exhaust valves are inside. Water is getting into pump pre-chamber, pumping over diaphragms and flowing into central chamber under pressure and then moving to the system. There is micro hole in this chamber which connects water with relay diaphragm. When pressure reaches fixed index, relay activates and pump stops. Important characteristic of diaphragm pumps is that these pumps are self-priming pumps and can pull vacuum necessary for fluid influx from water tank to processing chamber. Let's check how it works. As you see, pump starts to work immediately. It is quite difficult to block outlet port by finger. This model is for 2-bar only, more powerful pump models are available as well. One more pump is Aqua King 2. It is modern pump variant from the same manufacturer. There are no fundamental differences with previous pump model, but there are several important moments to point out. This pump has inline filter which stops trash and does not allow it to go to diaphragms. Filter should be installed on inlet connection exactly. It is better to use pump with filter than without it. One more moment is bypass valve which downplays fluid knock and makes pump operation smoother. In case of pressure drop, for example, if you turn off kitchen cock, part of water is run from main chamber to pre-chamber. There is adjusting bolt which control valve, but manufacturer recommends not to regulate it without strong necessity. On a final note, let's check one more pump, SHURFLO Smartsensor. This pump is quite powerful, it has 5 diaphragms and capacity is high. Main difference is control processor which can change capacity depending on water flow. The higher water flow is, the more intensive pump operation will be. For example, if you do the dishes in the kitchen and someone turned on the water in the bathroom, pump will force. This model is equipped with quick release fittings which allow to change hoses quickly. In addition, there is thermal fuse in waterproof case. Such pump will cost more than models which we mentioned before. When you choose pump, you should remember about instant fluid flow and delivery head. The higher it is, the lower water pressure will be. So try not to make difference between pump place and water consumer too big.